Mm.
So apparently we're supposed to be drinking Sprite without burping. I'm gonna lose.
Try not to get sick, please. What if burp was cold?
Mm.
It burns.
We're not supposed to burp?
Mm-hmm.
How do you do that?
I don't know. Well, I did not. That was a noise. Oh god. Oh god. We gotta keep going. We gotta finish it. We gotta finish it. Mm-hmm. I gotta finish mine. Oh god. Oh.
I'm still working on mine and she burped. I got it on camera. Do I still gotta finish mine?
Yes, you gotta finish.
He thinks we're laughing at him.
No.
I'll follow what we're not.
I already finished mine. I passed it.
I have to pee after this. You're still burping?
It's covered.
It's like 2 minutes in. This is almost like 3 minutes of video.
Well, that's what makes it funny. Don't do that. Swallow it.
I ain't burped.
Are you going to?
How do you do it?
Don't make yourself burp.
No, I just really gotta pee.
Well, you're pregnant. Go pee.
I thought I was gonna lose. Watch me burp later.